Good morning. Today's lesson actually comes from my house because I didn't have a chance to record it when I was at school. So bear with me as I do not have a whiteboard. We are going to skip 3.1 and 3.2 because both of those skills are wrapped up in 3.3. So I want us to just go ahead and go straight to that. We are now going to be working with algebraic expressions. So again, you luck out because I do not have the textbook at home, but I do have access to the workbook. Therefore, these are actually a few questions from your workbook. So if you turn to section 3.3 in your workbook, you will be able to follow along. In number 1, we are combining like terms because anytime we have a variable, we can combine however many of those we have. So we have 2.1x plus 0.8x minus 3. Because 2.1x and 0.8x are both talking about x, we can combine those, but we cannot combine it with the one that doesn't have x, which is 3. So our final answer would be 2.9x minus 3. Now, in number 8, it looks a little more complicated because we're talking about fractions, but in reality, it is just the same. Anything that has the variables can be combined, and anything that doesn't needs to stay separate. So we have 8/3 n minus 8/9 n minus 3. We know that we need to get like denominators so that we can then do the subtraction because that's how we subtract fractions. So I turned it into 24/9 n minus 8/9 n minus 3. I was then able to combine the like terms, the variable terms. So I got 16/9n minus 3. Now because that is an improper fraction, I did go ahead and simplify it into 1 7/9 n minus 3. However, either of those answers would be correct unless it asks you to simplify.